Okay, today I'm going to be coming to y'all with another video. It's going to be another for a hair tutorial. I got this off Amazon, and because I've been looking online, different things that can grow me and my daughter's hair. And I ran across this, and I seen a couple of videos on it that they said it's good. It's called Virgin Peppermint Growth Oil. It says healing and growth formation. And okay, repair skin. It repairs skin. Oh, it repairs skin and prompt the growth of nails. So not only you can use this on your hair, you can use it on your nails too. And I've seen people use it on their eyebrows, but I'm not going to do that. But I'll probably put it on my nails because my nails are short and they're always breaking. So I'll probably try it on my nails, but it's peppermint. It's peppermint, and let's see if it smells strong like peppermint. Oh, the thing is over there. It actually smells like peppermint candy. You know those peppermint patties? That's what it actually smells like.
It's green.
And let's see if it's thick. I'm gonna put it off in here. It's
gooey like?
It's not so thick. But what I'm planning to do with this, because y'all know we already got the wall growth. After we finish that, we're going to use this one. But what I'm going to do is spray this off in, I'm put a couple of drops off in a spray bottle like this and add water to it. And as we do our routine of combing our hair and stuff in the morning, or when our hair is dry, we're just going to use the peppermint growth on there. And I think I paid $9. I paid $9 and something. I would drop how much I paid for it in the description or put it at the top somewhere. But yeah, it's peppermint oil, and it helps your nail grow. And if y'all, it's organic too. So if y'all like this video, give me a thumbs up, and I will be doing another tutorial on this, because I want to after we use the wild grow, then we're going to change to something else. But right now we're using the wild grow, so we're going to stick to that right now. But as soon as that finish, we're going to start on this bottle. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe at the bottom.